Okay, so this is the Pixel 6 in India. Now in India, if you count all smartphones that come around 50,000, nothing comes close to the Pixel 6, and I'm counting the iPhone 12 by the way. So if the Pixel 6 is so good, the question that has to be asked is it worth importing the Pixel 6 in India? And if yes, what are the best and quick ways to import Pixel 6 in India? How much does Pixel 6 cost in India? This is Prateek, you're already watching TechVisor, and we got this Pixel 6 for you. So if you like the effort, subscribe. Let us reach 600k this month, and this Pixel 6, we will open the box in a moment. But basically, there are 3 ways to import Pixel 6 in India. So number 1, it's probably the easiest way if someone can carry the phone for you from USA or Europe. Now this might sound very easy, you would be like, Prateek, come on. But there is one important thing to it. If someone is carrying the Google Pixel 6 for you in India, they have to unbox the phone, take it out and carry it like their own phone. Otherwise, if it's a packed box, you would have to pay 20% of the product price as custom duties. In February 2020, under the Make in India initiative, the Indian government hiked the custom duties to 20% to encourage producing smartphones in India. And also, if you're planning to ask your relatives or a company to buy Pixel 6 in the US and ship it to India, well, you can do that. Let's check the shipping charges for that. Here is FedEx, the most popular shipping company. Now we just enter a random USA zip code and an Indian zip code, calculate rates. You see, the minimum is 131 USD. So that makes your total now 599 USD plus 131 USD is equal to 730 USD. Now again, the same issue comes. It has to come through custom duties, where again you might be charged 20%. Now here's what happens. Previously, we ordered cheap gadgets from China for videos, and most of them weren't charged custom duties because, surprise, surprise, they were cheap. Now once we ordered this 3D printer from China, a company sent us a unit, and we ended up paying some 8,000 to 9,000 as custom duties because it's a costly product and huge enough not to be seen. So most certainly you will end up paying customs on the Pixel 6 because it's a costly item. So now the price turns to be $730 plus $146, which is $876. Again, the price gets 66,000 with all the hassle and the time. Number 2, OLX. Now the most popular way to buy any smartphone on unreleased gadget in India is OLX. So here if you look on OLX, you just type Pixel 6, you have lots of them. Now 2 personal experiences that I would like to share. Number 1, we found a seller in Mumbai which was selling Pixel 6 at 40,000. I know, crazy pricing. Turns out the seller was shady and OLX later banned him. So we tried another seller in Delhi, and guess what? He doesn't have the bill as well as the box. Now funny thing, almost all of the sellers on OLX don't give you the Pixel 6 bill or box because it is imported from outside, and then as a company it's very hard to claim the expense as well as GST. So we denied that. This now brings the question, these Pixel 6 you are buying in India, do they have an international warranty? If yes, what about the bill box and how do you claim it? Well, Google's official website says the international warranty doesn't apply if you buy the product in a country where it isn't sold. So basically, Pixel 6 is not sold in India, warranty cannot be claimed in India, it can be done in the US, Taiwan or wherever. So on Google's website, there is B2X, which is their official repair partner in India. We tried calling them, but no reply.
Number you have dialed is currently busy. Please.
And we reached out to Google support via WhatsApp, and they said Pixel 6 warranty cannot be claimed in India. They do services only up to Pixel 4a. Now, you might be wondering, if all these methods are so dicey, where did we get our Pixel 6 in India? Well, we bought it from Amazon. We paid 68,400 for it. Now you can also get it from Amazon.com USA, but again, shipping, customs, all of that equals to $1,000, which is the same. We bought the Pixel 6 on 17th December and it got quickly delivered to us on 21st December. Quick, no hassle. But now, how do you verify if this is a legit product? If the serial number, IMEI number is valid, because see, the price on the box says 8,900 INR. How come? It's never sold in India. The country of origin is also China, but Pixel 6 doesn't sell in China. Now let's peel the sticker. Nothing special, it just says Google Pixel 6, 5G, sub 6 and 6GB, 128GB. But everything else is in Mandarin or Chinese. Now the serial number and IMEI number on the Pixel 6 is here, and you can match it with the box. It matches the same. Now in order to check the warranty, you have to go to Google Store, repairs, get your Pixel repaired, and here you have to enter the IMEI number or / serial number. Okay, and here it says, it gives me the same IMEI number. It says Pixel 6, Kinda Coral, 128GB. Unlocked means basically you can use any SIM card on the Pixel 6. You don't have to use a particular SIM card. And it says warranty ends on December 21, 2022. So Google offers 1 year of warranty on the Pixel 6. So now, how do you claim this 1 year warranty? Like, Google is not giving international warranty. And here, if you check on Amazon, it clearly says warranty policy, you are getting a 1 year warranty. So how does that work? We called Amazon.
The current wait time is less than 1 minute.
Actually, I bought a Google Pixel 6 from Amazon.in, and the website says that it has a 1 year warranty, whereas I checked with Google and they said there's no international warranty on Google Pixel 6. So I'm not able to contact the seller as of now. So can you know how to claim that warranty?
So you have to contact to the seller, okay? I can do one thing for you, sir. I'm sending you a link over the email address, okay?
Okay.
You can go to that link,
Okay.
and there is a ask a question tab.
Okay.
You can ask a question related to the issue, and they will reply on that, okay?
Okay. So as Amazon suggested, we contacted the seller via message, and he said that it's 1 year seller warranty. So in case anything happens with your Pixel 6, you have to ship it back to the seller and then he'll claim warranty and do all of that stuff. So it's not official or Amazon warranty, it's 1 year seller warranty. Now let's get to the device. Ooh. The build quality of the Pixel 6 is really impressive. Like, look at it. It's all true and I can't stop smiling. You also get an OTG, a SIM ejector tool and some paperwork, a Type-C to Type-C cable. There's no charger in the box. Now we're using a Motorola 30-watt PD charger because the Pixel 6 supports 30-watt charging. So if you have a Type-C adapter lying around, well, you don't need to spend extra money on the adapter. Now the device weighs in about 217 grams. So you can minus 10 grams. We had a scratch guard on it just to keep it safe. It has 0 wobbles and it really feels durable. So that has to be said. Now I know you're waiting for that sweet camera. Now for people who don't know, Google has been using the same camera sensor from Pixel 1 to almost 5 generations till the Pixel 5a. And the photo samples are really good, sharp. There is also a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, but that is not that wide if you see. You also get an 8 megapixel selfie camera, which here, if you see, has a lot of noise on the viewfinder, but once I click the photo, it's vanished from the main photo. Now, conclusion. I've already switched from the iPhone 13 to the Pixel 6. I'll surely be making a dedicated video on that so that it is helpful for you. And yeah, that was it. Should you buy Pixel 6 in India? Well, if you can't deal with the no warranty clause, then it makes sense if someone can carry the phone to India itself. It is the best phone at 45,000 or even if it costs you 50,000. However, getting it for 65,000, well, let me use it for a bit and I'll let you know about that. And it took us about 2 months to get through this entire video. Like for the effort, share it with people who want to buy or are thinking of buying Pixel 6 or any important phone in India. Tell us what you want to see for the Pixel 6. Let me know. This is Prateek. You were watching TechVisor. You can check out our other videos on the best budget 5G phone in India or the best smartphone gadgets.